Hello everyone, welcome to BYD Classes, and this will be the new session of Mains 365 UPSC 2023 for Mains examination. So it is for science and technology, and this is crucial important for Mains upcoming Mains 2023, and it will be increase your Mains as well as in essay papers marking for your general studies as well as for your essay paper. So it is crucial, very important part of the GS paper 3 as well as the essay program. So let's begin the discussion. So first is we will understand the development in emerging technologies, information technology, IT. Okay, information technology. So first news is what is the emerging technology. And what is emerging technology? It is commonly refers to existing or new and innovative technologies under development with unrealized practical applications. Unrealized practical applications. That is not real thinking about this technology. So it is emerging technology, and they employ new concepts, methods and techniques and promise to find better solutions to world challenges. And examples of emerging technologies include Web 3.2, blockchain, quantum technology or quantum computing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, that is IoT, and extended reality, 5G or 6G, etc. And what is the significance of the emerging technology? For this technology, which is used to create new economic opportunities with industry 4.0, and it is used to develop digital ecosystems and bring sectoral transformation by making them smart and provide immersive communications and engagement and accelerating towards sustainable development goals, which is extremely important to achieve sustainable development goals, which is the target by 2023 and initiative of the United Nations Development Programme. And fuel innovation and technological growth. That is, the emerging technology is the uh, modern fuel or new fuel of the new generation or new age, or data is the new oil of the world, and secure personal data as well as enhance overall security of the systems. And major sorry here the challenges. First we will discuss the challenges of emerging technology. The legal complexities due to lack of oversight and regulatory mechanisms and lack of infrastructure of information technology to support emerging technology is complicated, such as 5G as well as 6G and artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, and shortage of existing skills related to various emerging technologies and unpredictable nature. Products and services embedded in emerging technology solutions evolve quickly and shift from one regulatory category to another, and issues related to data privacy, security, ownership, and control because of massive digital footprint and regulatory dilemma due to conflict between its potential benefits and issues of ethics and safety. And social impact will be mixed, as it can help in equality and equity as well as increase wealth inequality, change people behavior, etc. And what are the major ethical issues in emerging technologies of the world? So human versus machines, that is autonomous machines replacing humans, such as Internet of Things, which is reducing the time consuming, or which is reducing the time of any working condition of in human life. And invasion of citizens privacy, because of the new emerging technologies there are various breaching privacy of people and reducing freedom of the choice, and misuse of personal information by taking individual control over own data. Environmental consequences, as it can threaten ecological balance, and discrimination risk at individual, companies, and community level, and distortion of reality through deep fakes, misinformation, etc., and other issues such as increasing digital divide, always on culture, use of intrusive technologies, etc. And what are the solutions, or what are the way forward to tackle the new challenges which is evolving by the emerging technologies? So first is the developing certain universal principles for global governance and accountability. Like it is here that we can learn from Gandhian seven sins of Mahatma Gandhi's principles. Okay, and framing pending domestic laws and evidence-based regulations to secure data, protecting unity and integrity of the nation, and utilize current resource by evaluating technologies and employing current building companies components like data sources, technology, and skills, and address security and privacy concerns by implementing new security measures, conducting regular audits, and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations, and striving for internalization of ethics of emerging technologies, and promoting general good to protect rights, avoid harm and any discrepancy against any harmful devices, and engage stakeholders to help in introspection and creating faith in technological development. So emerging technology is a very crucial in the new age, but it has many challenges and issues with the privacy as well as the discrepancy of the unity and integrity of the nation. So here these are the powerful solution as well as way forward, so you can write in your answer when it comes to asked in the mains examination. And next is the emerging technologies in 2023. Like these are the examples of emerging technologies such as flexible batteries, that is it is made up of the lightweight materials that can be easily twisted, bent, or stretched, and these batteries are rechargeable and include lithium ion or zinc carbon systems placed on conductive polymer current collectors. And applications, what are the applications of flexible batteries? Such as wearable medical devices and biomedical sensors, flexible displays, and smartwatches, textile based electronics, and designer phages. Phages are viruses that selectively infect specific types of bacteria. Upon infection, a phage of injects its genetic information in the bacterium, and using synthetic biology tools, the genetic information of phages can be reprogrammed so that infected bacteria execute a bioengineered set of genetic instructions. And what are the applications of designer phages? Treating microbiome associated diseases, enhance the growth of livestock, and treat certain plant diseases, and eliminate the dangerous bacteria in food supply chains. And next is the emerging technologies such as the metaverse for mental health and virtual shared spaces are digital environments where people can interact professionally and socially. The future of these spaces is commonly referred to as the metaverse. And gaming platforms, the using of metaverse in gaming platforms are already being leveraged for mental health treatment. For example, Deep Well Therapeutics has created video games to treat depression and anxiety, and eventually the metaverse will also connect to therapeutic neurotechnologies such as direct brain stimulation to treat intractable depressions and wearable plant sensors. These sensors are small, non-invasive devices that can be attached to crop plants for continuous monitoring of temperature, humidity, moisture, and nutrient levels. And data from plant sensors can optimize yields, reduce water, fertilizer, and pesticide use, and detect early signs of the disease. And spatial omics. Spatial omics allows previously unobservable cell architecture and biological events to be viewed in unprecedented detail, and by combining advanced imaging techniques with the specificity and resolution of DNA sequencing. Spatial omics enables the mapping of what, where, and when of biological processes at the molecular level. So these are the some important specification of spatial omics. And flexible neutral electronics, these allow electrical signals the brain procedures or the brain produces to be captured by sensor hardware algorithms, then decode these electrical signals into instructions that a computer can understand and execute. And brain mechanism or brain machine interferences like systems are already used to treat patients with epilepsy and in neuroprosthetics. So these are the some emerging new technologies in 2023 which you can mention in your answers as an example or the applications of these new emerging technologies. And next is the fourth industrial revolution, that is 4.0. What is industrial revolution 4.0? It refers to current and developing era of technological changes, that is 21st century of industrial revolution and advancements characterized by integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, internet of things, robotics, machine learning, big data, and more into various industries and aspects of the society. Industry 4.0 would be aware, equipped with sensor technology, intelligent, that is autonomous decision making, and connected, enable interaction and data exchange, and responsive, that is autonomous product adaptations. And various previous industrial revolutions, that is industry 1.0. During industry 1.0 there are various mechanization of manufacturing were created, and in industry 2.0 the application of the principle of mass production along assembly lines. And industry 3.0 there were rise of electronics, telecommunications, and computers. And industry 4.0 that manufacturers are integrating new technologies such as internet of things, cloud computing, blockchain technology, extended reality, and artificial intelligence, etc. Need for India to adopt industry 4.0. to provide impetus for next surge in growth after the 1990s reforms, to harness the potential of big data collected via Aadhaar, passport, public distribution system, voter card, etc., and to improve the governance by using new age technologies such as the Swamitwa scheme, which is used the new technology to record of the land in digitally forms, and the improves flexibility and customization of the products by adopting the cyber physical system frameworks, that is certain adopting new technologies for surveillance and to prevent from cyber attacks and prevent and improve the country's security, and increases entrepreneurship along with better employment opportunities in the area of education, e-commerce, m-commerce, financial services, ITES, under the government schemes such as the Startup India Smart Cities, and to achieve geopolitical goals by leveraging modern technologies to the world such as 5G technologies recent delivered in the world as well as India. An initiative taken by India, Farmer Zone, a cloud-based platform being developed by Department of Biotechnology to provide smart solution to farmers, and Center for the Fourth Industrial Revolution in the India, Mumbai, to exchange ideas in partnership with the Niti Aayog and World Economic Forum. All India Council for Technical Education and several sector skill councils framed for the national policies on Industry 4.0 and Smart Advanced Manufacturing and Rapid Transformation Hub, that is Samarth, Udyog Bharat on Industry 4.0 initiative of the Department of Heavy Industry, and Digital Twin Technology for creating similar virtual models of various physical things, and constraints in moving in Industry 4.0. What are the constraints in moving to Industrial Revolution 4.0? That high capital cost for creating a new integrated cyber physical system, replacing the existing processes, and issues of cyber and private data security in handling huge quantities of private and sensitive data. So remember this, and it may fuel inequality as people from a specific sector may be experience wage growth while several other sectors such as unskilled labor may experience job loss, and lack of interoperability as Industry 4.0 requires seamless integration between different systems as well as the devices, and lack of skilled workforce who understands the complexity of the process, that is new example like ChatGPT, which is very important in the new generation in Industry 4.0 as well as Industry 5.0. And what are the way forward? Enhancing regulatory framework while also protecting the rights and privacy of the individuals, and developing ethical guidelines to ensure that technologies are used for the benefit of society, and promoting digital literacy, particularly among those who may not have access to technology, and emphasizing on cybersecurity to protect data and intellectual property, and investing in upskilling and reskilling. Government and the industries should focus on bridging this gap. So these are the some challenges, issues, as well as initiatives of the government and their solutions, which is in the context of the Industry 4.0. Next is the Web 3.0. What is Web 3.0? It is a possible future version of the internet which is user centric, user driven and user control, which is the decentralization in the using of the internet. And what are the key features of the Web 3.0? Decentralized data networks for storing data within a peer-to-peer interconnection using blockchain, and permissionless will allow everyone to participate on the platform without authorization, means everyone can use the internet without any permit, be it the government as well as the intermediary and the individuals. And semantic web, search and analysis by understanding the meaning of words rather than by keywords or numbers. And ubiquitous, it is present in anywhere in the world, anywhere in place, as Web 3.2 could be accessed from anywhere with anything. And what are the potential of Web 3.0? Enabling users to directly interact with any individual or machine in the world, users gaining control over their data, and ensured privacy and security of the user with absence of central authority and cryptographic security respectively. And richer user experience with semantic web, higher degrees of connectivity, mixed reality, extended reality and faster computing speeds, and removing platform dependence and control by making digital activity platform transferable, and creating local networks basing its architecture on local context and needs. So these are the potential of Web 3.2. And what are the opportunities and challenges for India regarding the Web 3.2? That is in opportunities, and second is challenges. What are the opportunities? Large and growing digital user base with one of the highest numbers of interest users or internet users, not interest user but internet users. Availability of a large developer community, as India is already a software hub, because India is India is the highest user of internet in the world, and development of new and emerging economic sectors like fintech and gaming industry. And what are the challenges? Fear of aggravation of already prevalent digital divide, and prevalence of uncertainty and risk aversion in policy making, and signs of brain drain, as Indian Web 3.0 entrepreneurs have already started moving to Dubai and Singapore using the Web 3.2. And challenges with Web 3.2: difficult to regulate due to decentralized structure. It could lead to a rise in issues like cybercrimes, hate speech, and misinformation, limited accessibility, and slow adoption due to higher usage costs and other entry barriers like technical know-how. And potential environmental implications like high energy consumption, excessive mining, and scalability issue, as blockchain technology can handle only around 15 transactions per second, and limited global collaboration due to rising techno geopolitics. What are the solutions, or what are the way forward for India using the Web 3.2? The dedicated and integrated program which provides financial support and enables national level coordination, and creating a technological and infrastructural base with reliable electricity connection, internet connectivity, and creating conducive conditions to encourage and support innovation via promoting ease of doing business, incentives, etc. And development of India-centric solutions on the lines of Aadhaar, Jan Dhan, UPI, CoWIN, etc. So these are the some challenges, reforms, and potential of the Web 3.0, and it is using in India as well as of the world. Next is the blockchain technology. What is the blockchain technology and it's all about? It is a database, that is a list of record transaction like a ledger that keeps growing as more entries are added. And blockchain technology is distributed in the copies of entire database are stored on multiple computers on network sensing within minutes or seconds. And blockchain technology using in transport, that is in records are made visible to stakeholders without risk of alteration, and highly secure and immutable. Algorithms make it impossible to change or delete any data once recorded and accepted. So you can remember the blockchain technology and its process and mechanism, and what is the significance of blockchain technology. It is a decentralized mechanism, that is eliminating need for a third party to validate the transactions, and it is bringing transparency and efficiency, as any asset of value can be represented and tracked, and fraud prevention, as data stored in several places is not easily accessible. And blockchain business value, World Economic Forum anticipates that 10% of global GDP will be stored on blockchain by 2025. Remember this fact. And applicability in diverse domains such as education, governance, finance and banking, healthcare, logistics, cybersecurity, power sector, etc. What are the key issues or challenges in adoption of blockchain technology, such as the technological challenges? In technological challenges, the scalability is very crucial challenges of blockchain technology, that is in variable requirements for processing power, network bandwidth, block size, consensus, etc. affect their scalability. And storage, as stored data becomes perpetual and is replicated at all the nodes. And legal and implementational challenges, that is the privacy and regulation. Decentralized storage on every node creates privacy challenges and localization hurdles, as data redundancies are stored across all nodes on a blockchain network, and lack of skill set and customer awareness. And what are the key recommendations by national strategy on blockchain technology? A national level blockchain framework or scaling developments or developed applications, creating shared infrastructure, enable cross-domain application development and integration of important national level services to blockchain such as eSign, ePramad and DigiLocker, etc. and focus on research in the domains of standards and interoperability, scalability and performance, consensus mechanisms, security and privacy, and capacity building by conducting short-term courses or boot camps, and explore the potential in various sectors like agriculture, health, energy, etc. And what are the examples of potential applications? E-governance. This includes property record management, digital birth, death and education certificates, management, etc. For example, Smart Dubai initiative of United Arab Emirates. And banking. In banking application, to avoiding risk of payment losses involved in banking transactions, reduces cross-border transaction fees, corporate payments and remittances, etc., and supply chain can create a tamper-proof record to check real-time information about product journey and healthcare. By establishing a secure chain of network, blockchain can help in handling the patient records, consent forms, billing, and public health monitoring, and e-courts. Data from police, judiciary, legal department, etc., can be stored in a coordinated manner, and other areas such as automotive, tourism, insurance, and real estate, etc. And what are the blockchain project? In India, the government launched a blockchain project to explore potential of Web 3.0. And what is the project of blockchain technology? That is the titled Design and Development of a Unified Blockchain Framework for Opening National Blockchain Service and Creation of Blockchain Ecosystem. It is a part of government's effort towards realizing Web 3.0, and it will facilitate the creation of open application programs, interfaces for smooth integration and provision of blockchain as a service, that is BaaS, over distributed infrastructure. You can remember this is the BaaS because it is very important for upcoming prelims 2024, and the previous prelims has been questioned that the software as a service, and here it is important for regarding the blockchain technology, that is the blockchain as a service and its application. What is the BaaS? BaaS refers to the third party cloud based infrastructure and management for companies, and BaaS allows government departments to leverage blockchain services to build, host, and use their own blockchain apps, smart contracts, and functions on blockchain. And project has been launched in accordance with objectives of National Strategy on Blockchain 2021, and it was launched by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And BaaS creates a trusted digital platform by evolving a national blockchain infrastructure. What is the application of this project about blockchain? The benefits of the benefits of BaaS, blockchain as a service, to facilitate wider adoption of blockchain technology and reduce cost of infrastructure for smaller companies, promoting innovation and entrepreneurship, and enable better security compliance by ensuring supply chain traceability. And what is the conclusion? How you can conclude about blockchain as a service? The governments have been trying to implement blockchain, considering its benefits over traditional technologies. Finding the right use cases, however, can help agencies realize the technology's full potential. And what is the crypto mining and why it is in news? Recently, Bhutan and Singapore based BitTier have announced plans to raise $500 million to set up crypto mining operations in the Himalayas that is free of carbon, thus tapping into Bhutan's abundant hydroelectric power. And what is the crypto mining? Crypto mining is the process that several cryptocurrencies use to generate new coins and verify and process new transactions. Presently, huge amounts of electricity are needed to power the vast computer farms that mine for cryptocurrency, and this crypto mining involves vast decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains, and crypto mining is fundamental to proof of work cryptocurrency networks like Bitcoin. And proof of work and proof of stake use algorithms to validate cryptocurrency on a blockchain networks. And proof of work and proof of stake are protocols intended to validate transactions and keep the blockchain network decentralized and secure. And different types of crypto mining, like central processing units mining, CPUs. CPU mining uses processors to mine cryptocurrency. And graphics processing units mining. Graphic processing unit mining uses one or more graphics cards to mine crypto. Graphics processing units mining of Bitcoin launched in 2010 was short-lived and got replaced by a new kind of hardware, ASIC. And application specific integrated circuits mining. Application specific integrated circuit mining explicitly designed for proof of work computations perform far faster than general purpose computing devices like graphics processing units and the central processing units. And other types include field programmable gate array mining, cloud mining, etc. And crypto mining is not always profitable due to intense competition, expensive mining equipment, and high electricity prices. And crypto mining requires setting up a powerful hardware, resources, and software to solve the complex puzzles efficiently. The explosive growth in cryptocurrency mining consumes high energy grids and increases total carbon emissions and local air pollution, raises retail electricity rates, etc. And here the process of crypto mining, that is under the proof of work and proof of stake. These are the some working mechanism of proof of work and proof of stake. That is the, to add each block to the chain, miners must compete to solve a difficult puzzle using their computer's processing power. And in proof of stake, there is no competition as the block creator is chosen by an algorithm based on the user's stake. So remember that. And energy consumption in proof of work consumes more energy, and in proof of stake replaces miners with validators, resulting in less energy consumption. And what is the conclusion about crypto mining? Crypto assets can require considerable amounts of electricity usage, which can result in greenhouse gas emissions as well as additional pollution, noise, and other local impacts to communities. Rather than a proof of work verification process, which requires vast amounts of energy, climate activists are arguing for a less energy intensive verification process that isn't reliant on speed, such as proof of stake used by Ethereum, another cryptocurrency. Ethereum is another cryptocurrency like cryptocurrency. Next is the quantum technology or quantum computer. What is this quantum computer? An emerging field powered by the principles defined by quantum mechanics. A subfield. Quantum mechanics is a subfield of physics that explains the nature and behavior of matter and energy on the atomic and subatomic level. The quantum technology principles. What are the principles about quantum technology? First is the qubit. What is qubit? Just like a binary bit 0 and 1 accepted by the quantum computer, is the basic unit of information in classical or traditional computing. A qubit or quantum bit, a combination state of 0 and 1, is the basic unit of information in quantum computing. and physical versus logical qubits. What is physical qubit? Physical qubit is a physical device that behaves as a two-state quantum system used as a component a computer system, for example, an atom of hydrogen existing in multiple energy levels. And logical qubits are groups of physical qubits working together to perform a computation. So remember these two terms, that is physical qubits as well as logical qubits. Here the classical bits, bit 1 and bit 2, that is here the empty 0, and in bit 2 that is filled that 1. In 0 that is head at 0 and tail is 1 like in coins. And quantum bits in qubit 1, 1/3 of 0 and 2/3 of 1. Here it is showing 50% chance if landing on 0 and 50% chance is if landing on 1. So the possibility of the chance landing on 0 and 1 is seems to equal. And key principles of quantum mechanics, the two principles of quantum mechanics, that is superposition and entanglement. What is superposition? It is the ability of a quantum particle to be in multiple states, that is in all directions at the same time until it is measured, that is not stop in any point of time, that is it works from initial to at end. And what is entanglement? Entanglement refers to a situation in which two or more quantum particles are linked in such a way that it is impossible for them to be described independently, that is it is not independently works, whereas the superposition is works as independently. So remember this. And what are the significance of quantum technology for India? Staying ahead of the disruption and achieving a beginner's edge in the emerging field, and preparing for tackling national security risks posed by adversarial use of quantum computers, and boosting translational research, fostering economic growth by developing market for quantum research and development, software development and equipment manufacturing, and dividing societal progress and improving the overall quality of life enabled by applications of quantum technology, and encouraging entrepreneurship and startup ecosystem development. And what are the key issues faced by India about quantum computing or quantum mechanics? India has loosely built research ecosystem with limited participation of private sector. That is more than 90%, more than 80% of quantum computing infrastructure will be held by held by the public sector, and hardly 20 to 25% or even less captured by the private sector. Unstructured research and a small pool of skilled professionals in the field, an absence of indigenous development of critical quantum components, and industry academia gap, that is the low participation of industrial, that is where the skill is underestimated about the quantum mechanics, and it hindering translation of research into scalable applications. And technological challenges, difficulty in achieving and maintaining quantum superposition and entanglement long enough to complete a task, and challenges in upscaling the number of qubits on a processor chips, and other issues, low patent applications, lack of protocols for global governance, low international collaborations. And next is the measures taken in India to strengthen quantum industry. National Quantum Mission approved at a total cost of rupees 6,000 crore in the budget 2022-23. A national mission on quantum technologies and applications, and quantum enabled science and technology initiative, and quantum computer simulator toolkit, and quantum frontier mission, setting up of dedicated labs and centers like quantum computing laboratory and an artificial intelligence center at a military engineering institute at Mo, Madhya Pradesh. Remember this. And what are the various measures and solutions for to strengthen the quantum industry in India? Creation of a dedicated quantum computing or quantum community through entrepreneurship, innovation, university courses, scholarships, training programs, etc., and enabling dedicated centers for research to translate research into real world applications, and facilitating international cooperation, setting priorities to safeguard national security, such as investing in post quantum cryptography, and promoting domestic manufacturing facilities and units for development of quantum components, and revisit and rework national policies like military doctrines and ethical guidelines, etc. Okay, so remember this. Just a minute.